Good morning from Costa Rica.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say it hot. No.
So right now it's currently 8:12. I'm getting picked up at 9 to be taken to the waterfall. But first I want to eat the rest of my food that I have left over from yesterday because I am hungry. So last night I slept great. Slept great last night. Okay, so I heated up my food. But last night I slept so good, y'all. I slept so good. And like literally just being here, I didn't sleep with no TV on, but I never sleep with the TV on. So no TV on. And just like hearing this all night, perfect. When I took a shower, literally, this is all I hear. But if y'all are not a nature person, me personally, I grew up in the country. Like trees all around me, foxes, bobcats, like cows, horses, all of it. Mosquitoes, like not this, but like I'm used to bugs and stuff. Like I'm walking around with no shoes on, like I'm seeing spiders, crickets. I'm just like, hi. I seen, when I was getting ready this morning in the bathroom, I seen like 2 red frogs. What? Like, I woke up at like 6:30 and just got ready for the day. I brought this speaker so that way I can listen to music, but this is music. So today I'm wearing my backpack because it's red, and I packed my water shoes. I'm probably going to wear sandals and I'll pack my tennis shoes. But going to the waterfall, and then after that, I don't know. I'm so excited for today. I didn't really get to talk to y'all yesterday, but this is something that I want to talk about. Past few months that I've been gone, you know, I was gone. Granted, I could have picked up the camera recording, but I just bought this camera, and I'm happy to enjoy my time here because I spend a lot of time alone. It's not to say that I don't have friends. I do have friends, but they're not always available to hang out, which is understandable. So that leads me to do things alone by myself. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't have a partner, like not married. It can be very lonely sometimes. So taking this trip for me was to signify. Hold on. Don't say that. Signify. Nah, that ain't it. Let's signify. To signify my, I'll say solitude, but sometimes it can be loneliness. Like it can't be just you, but we'll use solitude for the sake, because I'm having a good time. I'm not sad. I'm wearing this bathing suit to the waterfall, and on top, like I have like this cute shirt from Marshalls. Y'all see? Wait, look at my view first. Like what? Hola. What's all included? It's just waterfall?
It's just the waterfall. 20.
$20?
So it's just one way down, the same way up, 500 stairs. And right now you can swim if you want to do it. Okay?
500 stairs?
So the tickets get your bracelets with my coworkers.
Hola.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. You need to wear this before you get.
Okay. So I'm about to hike down here. I don't want to waste too many minutes on this. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Waterfall.
Necesitaba que le sacara foto, era, ¿no?
Sí, 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 sí,
Ah,
sí, sí, sí.
Digo, yo voy a preguntarle a ver si es eso.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for the journey. God, I know it's crazy because this journey had heartbreak. And this journey had scars. And this journey had bruises. And I know most people wouldn't thank God for what they went through. Some people curse God and went through the same thing. But I thank you, God, because I went through the journey. And it taught me you get down in the weeds with me. I went through the journey. And it taught me you'll never leave me. I went through the journey. And it showed me who my friends were. I went through the journey. And it showed me I had more in me than what was against me. Oh, yeah, it's a journey, but you're not by yourself.
Okay, y'all, so I left the waterfall and now I'm at this restaurant and I met somebody who's solo traveling too. Her name is Chloe.
What's up, everybody?
So yeah, we're at this restaurant with the that's with the waterfall place. We ordered some food and like now it was raining super hard. Them stairs almost took me out. I almost died coming back up the stairs, but ordered my food. I got the Caribbean rice and beans with chicken, and then Chloe got a bunch of stuff.
I don't even know what I got. I got like a cheese casserole.
Did you get the tropical ceviche? Because I know you don't like
fish ceviche. I didn't even ask without onions. That's okay.
That's
We got
just like
ceviche.
red onions. You like red onions?
I don't like onions if they're sauteed. I don't like them on a regular basis, which is fine. It's okay.
Oh.
It happens. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No. What did you say?
It's not for the vlog. But I don't care if you cut it out.
But yeah, so right now we're just waiting on our food. Then I'll let y'all know.
I sure will.
So y'all, this is what Chloe got. That's her drink. This is my drink. This is in the gift shop. That's crazy. YouTube might ban me. These shot glasses. Magnets. This is so cute. This. Let me get this one too.
I love it. I'm gonna get the lighter for sure though. Just because it's different.
Yeah.
It's literally a case, so if I really wanted to, I could shove another one. Really.
These bracelets are super cute.
No, everything. I don't know.
What is that?
I don't even know. Some of these I'm like, what the fuck?
I want to try the chocolate. I think I got everything I get.
What are you doing?
Just these two shot glasses and I got this magnet.
Okay, period.
Toucan.
So everybody gets. Ooh, this is like a mini pack.
Oh, of all of them.
Is it? Oh wait, yeah, it has 6. Well, that's like perfect.
We're leaving now. We're gonna go see some sloths. This is Rio Lounge where we're at. Gift shopping. And it's the place with the waterfall too. Waterfall restaurant. And then like y'all, their water here is drinkable because like it all comes from the mountain. That waterfall water was cold, like really cold. They have like the most beautiful flowers here.
You should be a passenger princess.
About to do the Sloth tour. It starts at 1.
25 minutes.
This view.
I live out here, but it doesn't mean you can obviously see 30.
Obviously.
That's valid. I was like, I understand. And then she said maybe howler monkeys too, but no, probably not toucans. I was like, okay.
What are howler monkeys?
Cute. I'm gonna say good night.
Right?
I already can feel it. Damn, that sun is out. I almost want to take my top off. I'm not gonna. I'm one of those people. Just for the tan. So howler monkeys are these? They're ugly. I don't think there's any monkey that's really that cute, and they like literally howl.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. It's like
Like a wolf owl?
I think. Oh, what? It has a sound that you can play.
See, the internet is getting a little bit.
It's getting too advanced. I don't like it. Almost it's not fucking loading. That my
Like,
space sucks.
okay, that's crazy.
No, I
That scared me.
don't. I would shit myself if I heard them in the middle of the night and I didn't know. No, that's fucking. You know, like a regular chimpanzee or some shit.
Imagine that, like, running after you and then, like, making that noise.
No, absolutely not. I just lay down. Just rip me apart. The 100 men and the gorilla. I am about to do it. But it's funny. They have baboons in South Africa and they go through like the neighborhoods. Yeah. I didn't get to see one. I was heartbroken. I really wanted to see a baboon like go through someone's car. But it was no.
She said go through somebody's car.
Yeah, they said like they go through your cars, open your windows and doors. I'm like, oh, that's hilarious. I would love to see that.
Wait, what about?
But it says they're not aggressive to us. So that's good.
But they are wild animals.
That's what they said. It literally says, but remember, they are wild animals.
It's crucial to remember.
One more time, just to be extra safe.
Yeah.
Alright. Like we were just at the lake.
Yeah, we just met at Waterfall. Like, what is that? Yeah, we just realized that both on solo trip. Oh, just let me show you.
It's too much light. See. Thousands of times don't forget using these guys. La naturaleza es muy buena.
Ah,
La naturaleza keeps my mind like a 12, 15-year-old.
muy joven.
Muy joven, sí. Sí, no, the other day somebody was here.
River Spring.
Sí.
Ay,
They confused.
no. That's hilarious.
Eso fue muy divertido.
Nice.
Por un momento. Oh, yeah. He's only telling you.
I'll airdrop to everyone.
Now it's hiding in the leaf. Sisi at the end. Baby's mom. Mom is coming in on the left. Oh, now that's baby scratching his armpit, but he spread his legs. He spread his legs. And that's quite of a scratching you have.
But where is she?
Oh.
Through the telescope. I mean, you gotta look at it's going straight up diagonally.
So I'm at this restaurant. I Ubered here. I asked to be taken to Restaurante Ross. This is something completely different. So I guess we'll have to go there tomorrow. But I think I want to get the ceviche. So I think I'm going to get the ceviche. And then I'm going to get the corazones especiales. Let me stop. Plantain with mashed potato. I want plantains.
Hablas español muy bien. Poquito.
Poquito.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He said my Spanish is very good. I don't know if y'all know he said that. Being here really makes me want to learn more Spanish. Like, in America, learning Spanish isn't fun because you don't have anybody to really speak it with. Compared to if you come to a country whose native language, first language is Spanish, it's like, wow. Because when I went to Belize, they spoke English. Like, they spoke Spanish, but not really. Like, but being here, it just makes you want to learn Spanish more. Like, so that way I could visit another country and speak Spanish. Like, muchas gracias. He gave me green sauce and red sauce. Baby, I don't do nothing with red sauce. In no country. I don't do no. Well, I do Italian red sauce, but like Mexican red sauce, no. This is good. This is my food. I got some plantains. Oh, those are fresh. Some chicken, salad, and then rice. Now that I think about it, it don't even be bugs in Houston swarming over the food. Like, that probably means something. So my food's all gone. My bad, y'all. I didn't even think I was that hungry for real. Oh, dude gonna be here in 3 minutes. Cool. See y'all back at the B&B. So, as y'all can tell, I'm literally back at the Airbnb. I was gonna get in the hot tub, but I just turned it off. I kind of got like a little headache. And like, it's 6:36, which means it's 7:36 Houston time, which means it's almost 8 o'clock, which means it's almost my bedtime. Them stairs at the waterfall took me out. Going back up was treacherous. Like, and it wasn't even like breathing out of breath. Like, the pain in my legs. Like, I know I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. I know it. Stairs, y'all, but the waterfall was so beautiful, and and it was only $20. Like, getting in that waterfall, into the water, that water is strong. Like, it's so strong, and then the rocks are slippery and jagged and stuff. So it was one guy out there, he was swimming. They tell you not to swim. That's it for today. This is day 2 in Costa Rica. Very adventurous, very fulfilling, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 3 in Costa Rica. Good night.